Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? Michael Zuber, author of One Rental at a Time. And what I want to talk about in this particular short video is what information you're going to need to have to fill out spreadsheet number one. As you know, the first spreadsheet is really one where we just get the wheels churning. It's really meant to be a conversation starter between you and your family. I also will be introducing your financial health score inside this particular spreadsheet. You will again see that score in spreadsheet number two. I do believe if you understand your financial health score, you really can make different decisions and move forward. But in order to get ready for the spreadsheet, let me tell you what you're going to need, because again, you will have some inputs and then the rest of the episode or the rest of the spreadsheet will just auto populate. It's real life. I sneezed. I'm sorry. God bless me. Let me bring up the presentation so that we can go through it. One more time. Sorry about that. Okay. So the items you're going to need for spreadsheet number one are pretty simple. I would like you to calculate your hourly wage. If you don't know how to do that, take your yearly salary, divide by 2,080 hours, 2080. So that will calculate your rough hourly wage. Then I'm going to want you to estimate your tax rate. I want this to be a collection of federal and state. It doesn't have to be exact. We're going for close enough. If when in doubt, you can go to your state's website. You can put in your income and see. You can take just a swag guess. Most of us aren't zero and most of us aren't 50%. It's somewhere in between there. But do yourself a favor, take a swag, because again, what you will see throughout this particular presentation in this whole course, we're talking about net income, not gross. You and I don't spend gross. Taxes are taken out first. We are left with net. Something else you're going to need is you're going to need a couple of sample prices. Maybe your kids had Christmas wishes. Maybe there's back to school. Maybe there's birthdays. Maybe there's something you have always wanted. I don't know, but get some samples. Maybe make this a family exercise. Maybe give everybody a chance to pick 2 items, right? Cut them out of magazines or print them off the internet, whatever you want. But we need the price and the picture. These are things that will become important. Next, you're going to need a list of household monthly expenditures. I give you some samples, but I give you plenty of room to add yours. These are things like mortgage, rent, food, gas, car, student loans, whatever it happens to be, phone, internet, entertainment, all of those things are in the spreadsheet, but all of you may have some. You may have gym memberships. You may have book of the month club. I don't know, but again, think of the categories. Then what I want you to do is I want you to look at your checkbook, your online statements, your credit cards, your debit cards, and try to figure out how much you think you spend in each category monthly. Right? You may have some variations, but take a swag. We got to start somewhere, and that is one of the categories. So how this is going to work is the spreadsheet will have fields that are green. Those are ones that you input. Then there are red or rose, or some will say orange fields. Those are all auto-populated. Don't have to touch them. And then there are some fields that are yellow. Those are the key understandings. Those are the critical fields. The really things I'm trying to punch up, make important, make you talk about, think about, go, oh my God, I didn't realize. And lastly, have some fun. This first spreadsheet is meant to just make the conversation about money interesting, family spending interesting. It's not about price, but it's about time. These are all things that I think are important. So at the end, that's what I'm doing in this particular presentation, or this first Excel spreadsheet. And that's it. So again, a couple of fields for input, some calculations, and then there's a yellow field for the most important. All right, good luck, have fun, go get the data, and then let's pull up the spreadsheet.